Hazrat Qatada has reported from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu that a village folk visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when will the hour occur? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Woe to you! What preparation have you made for it? He replied, I have made no preparation, but I have love for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, You will be with him whom you love. So we submitted, Is it also same for us? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Yes. That day we felt extreme felicity. Then Mughira's slave, who was my age fellow, happened to pass there. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, If he remains alive, the resurrection day will establish before he becomes old. Shoba, Qatada, Hazrat Anas reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Shoba has reported it briefly. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6167.